like 10 in the morning. It's me, Freddie, and Don Luis. Just woke up like an hour ago, and we have something kind of fun planned. It's kind of fun. So we're gonna see how this works out. Right now we're gonna meet up with Freddie, but I just texted him and told him I wasn't gonna be able to make it. And I'm just gonna surprise him. So he's gonna be really happy to see me. I told Freddie I wasn't gonna be able to go, and he got a little bit mad, but I'm gonna surprise him. It's probably not gonna be much of a surprise, but it's gonna be funny to see his reaction. So Don Louis just broke the news to him on the freaking phone. Where you at though?
Bye. I'm gonna ruin the shot.
It's popping. So we just ate Bojangles, and we are on our way. Are we leading? Yeah, we're leading, I guess. Yeah, we're leading, I guess. He's leading. He just passed me. So I guess we're here. I don't know. Freddie took like 3,000 turns. I don't know if this is the right spot or not, but about to find out. Here he comes. He's walking.
My GPS told me to keep going straight, but I don't know if the trails are that way. So we need to get like a.
Ask that one guy over there.
I didn't stop, but there's no cool places to stop. Like where's Zoe to run? I don't want to get a ran over. And shit.
So then what are we doing here?
Well, they said office in here.
So after getting lost everywhere, we finally found
We
somewhere.
made a huge circle.
We made like 3 huge circles. So we're at this little river spot, creek thingy. Seems pretty cool. The homies. Watch out for the poop. So we just got directions from some guy because Freddie was supposed to lead us in this tour, but you know he kind of messed up, but it's okay. He's got a map now,
I'm
and
with one now.
he's got a map now. Now we're gonna walk to some trails.
Hey, they work on this.
Let's go look at. Let's go look at the world.
Jump off,
Come on, Zoe.
Come on, Javi.
Where you at, Javi? We're out here at this fall. What's this place called?
Fall Creek Falls.
Fall Creek Falls. This is the first waterfall of the day. I just failed.
They have a bridge that you can walk across the waterfall.
Look at the world.
This is just one of them. We're gonna go to another one that's like the main one.
And after this, we're gonna walk on top of that bridge. I don't know if you can see it.
It's like right there. I think people are walking it, but I don't know if the sun gets in the way.
It's gonna be tight.
Hopefully Zoe makes it. There's a dog that was crawling. I know it does.
Take you to the same place.
So what do you think about it so far, Donley?
Pretty good. That's my case.
Huh?
That's my case on your phone.
It's mine now.
So as we expected, Zoe was scared to walk through the bridge. Bird's gonna have to carry her. We have to carry her. We're on the bridge. Cool ass bridge. There's a waterfall.
Poor baby. It's scary.
We made it. We made it past the bridge and we didn't die. We just asked for directions again for like the 5th time. Waterfall.
Nice. Thank you.
So there's a lot of nice people here, which is really kind of rare for me because people give me dirty looks. I don't know why.
Because you're a smoker.
Because I smoke sometimes.
You support cancer.
But now we're like I said, we're gonna go find the other waterfalls.
Well, there's 2 more.
There's 2 more. And that was the first one that we just showed you guys. I'm pointing at Don Louis.
Huh?
Here's the real view.
That's Don Louis.
What?
That's the cutest waterfall here.
Follow him at.
Don Louis 09. Thank you.
Is there any underscores or anything?
Nah, just Don Louis 09. DONLUI 09.
Hey,
Follow me on Snapchat.
Don't follow him anywhere.
I don't. Yeah, Don Louis 09 on YouTube also.
Shut up. So there's the Creek Falls by Woodland Trail, and then Overlook. We're going to Overlook first?
yeah, let's go to.
So I think we're arriving to the next waterfall because obviously we can hear it.
What up in there?
Whoa. Pretty cool.
So we made it to one of them, the smaller one. Zoe. And the barrier, we're gonna cross it. Don Louis. If this video gets 15 likes, I'll jump. Until then, I won't. Good girl. Who's a good girl? You are.
I am.
So we just left that spot. So now we're going to the last waterfall overlook. How many is there in total?
I don't know.
So in total, I don't know how many there is, but so far we've looked at. Is that 2? But that's 2 waterfalls.
Oh, so 3.
Basically 3.
Don't stop.
So now we're gonna look at one more. And Don Louis taking a picture right now. Don Louis still taking a picture, so
He thinks he's cool.
he thinks he's better than me. It's nothing.
Good view of the trees.
Just the trees.
Look out.
It says right here. It says, "Danger trail ends here.
Do you know where
Do
we're
not
gonna
go beyond this point," which means that we're definitely gonna go on beyond. Definitely gonna go beyond this point.
I'm not cutting that. So I'm just following them. I'm pretty sure they don't know where they're going, but neither do I. If it says keep out, you keep going. Danger area closed. Keep out. Like I said, keep out means keep going. It's down there. Yeah. Good guys.
Thank you, buddy.
It's a spot right here. And the waterfall. Boop. Down. Tell people over there. And it's what you get when you keep on going. Not sponsored. Or what's it called? What's it called when we don't endorse this? Nope. Not. But it goes.
It's a huge lookout. It's kind of cool.
There's people down there.
Huh?
Where we at?
We're
Just
at
kidding. Waterfall.
Niagara Falls, off the coast of Hawaii and Antarctica. It's not cohesive enough.
Where we at, Javi?
We're at Nebraska.
Olympia, Nebraska, and we got Zoe with us, but I've never done this before, so
Alright, so update. We used to be over there. We were over there where it said keep out, and we were right there, and we came all around. We're here where we're at now, and we might go down to the very bottom of the waterfall. Where we at, Javi?
The waterfall place.
Update. We're in the middle of a goddamn storm. Go down.
oh my god!
Ooh, come on, Zoe. Let's face this hurricane. On my head. Woo-wee. Goddamn
my
Kansas. I swear to God, it's like Nebraska out here. Oh shit, it's wet. Oh hell. Gotta go, Jason. Oh, it's cold. People are crazy. They wildin'. They wildin'. Wildin' out here. It's cold. Real cold. It's so cold. Oh, feeling. Oh, like this would be like that. Oh, your phone's off party. Alright, let's go. Let's go. I'm gonna catch cold. So a couple minutes in, already done. So I walk all the thing we've done. Oh shit. To be continued.
So, as you can tell, we're all kind of tired. Especially me, I'm feeling dizzy. But now we gotta walk all the way back.
That's what cigarettes do.
That's what smoking does.
We don't condone it.
Don't do it. I don't do it. I do it for my friends. But now we have to walk all the way back, which is probably gonna be like 40 minutes.
We're gonna try to cut to 30. We started at 3:50, and it's 4 o'clock, so we're 10 minutes into it. I think it's like 2 miles away.
Yeah, we're not gonna make it anytime soon.
30 minutes.
Next time you see us, it'll be dark. So about 20 minutes later, and we're pretty close to the cars. Less than I expected, but it was pretty fun. Hey, what time is it, Freddie? So it took us 27 minutes to walk back to our cars.
Well, 37, because we started at 3:50.
Oh, okay, 37. So 40 minutes was pretty much accurate.
The last checkup, it was 27.
Now we're gonna head out of here.
Probably get something to eat.
Probably get some pizza. And we'll see what's up.
2-hour drive.
Bye.
The man in action. Zoe chilling. My girl chilling. You already know. And we stopped at Little Senior. You look. He's dope. Sunset with my girl.
I don't know. I want pizza though.
Me too. What's up, day, Javi?
So we came back from the what was it called? Rock Falls?
Rock Falls, Creek Falls.
Rock Falls, some bullshit like that. And we are on our way to our boys' gender reveal.
Gender reveal.
And they said to wear blue if it's a boy, if you think it's a boy, or pink if you think it's a girl. But I got both.
So you gonna switch up? Blue one.
Damn.
Special guest Omar. Keeping it popping. Close out our video.
Huh?
What you having?
Alright.
You're closing out our video.
Alright, man. So like, I'm having a boy.
What's his name?
The nigga's name is Sullivan, aka Sully Santiago Beltran Adame. And if that nigga would have been a girl, I don't know what the fuck it would have been called, but if it would have been a girl, I would have killed myself and I would have got a divorce. Smell the beer. Nah, chug.
It's already spilled.
Hey, I'm fucking super grateful. I'm super grateful for this healthy relationship. I'm super grateful for my family and my friends. Everyone coming out. Hey, but I'm super grateful for everyone coming out. You know, all the homies showing the support, all the homies showing the love. You know, shout out to Omar Rango, shout out to Luis Perez, shout out to the other Luis, shout out to Don Louis. Subscribe to the channel. Hey, subscribe to all these niggas. You know, we out here spitting bars. You know, we're fucking pulling triggers on these bitch ass niggas. You know, they don't fuck with me though. We out here sipping Coronas. You already know what I mean.
Okay. Un beso.
Well life, fucking, what's that?
All welders matter.
All welders matter. All welders matter. Wait, what the fuck? I said that shit again. All welders matter.
Because eyes are like, oh,
You know, I've been drinking a little bit, but you know what I mean. Shout out, subscribe, hit us up. Hey bitch, fuck you bitch ass nigga. And your dick small as fuck. That's why your girl left.